Racing just started. While Ginseng break with later start. One Jane is running by the rail. Bungangera. Pampanggenyo in between horses. Then next on Larisang Kahig. Isang tuka running by the release. Don't touch the wine while club champion is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Wild Ginseng followed closely by Bungangera in second. 3 lengths watching in third is a One Eye Jane. Then next on line is Pampanggenyo. Don't touch the wine alongside Isang Kahig. Isang tuka while club champion is still racing in less set of the fourth. Two runners still matching their strides together. While Ginseng, Bungangera, then here comes One Eye Jane is slowly but surely now moving upon the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead as they swing for home. One Eye Jane by about 3 lengths now. Bungangera while Ginseng is down on the inside. Pampanggenyo last 50 meters. It's all One Eye Jane second close. While Ginseng, Bungangera, Pampanggenyo.
Bayan Karibista, ayan po, nakita nyo ang ating favorite na nanalo dito sa ating race number 7, numero 2, One Eye Jane, kung saan meron tayong close dun sa ating second position, kung saan naglaban po yan, numero 3, Wild Ginseng, at numero 5, Bungangera. Ating pong balikan ng replay.